Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about self-confidence. Self-confidence is the belief in yourself. It means you trust your abilities and you can face challenges. I am working out every day. I am practicing English. I am saturating my fair use positive people. One is positive, Fernando is confident, and Milena is courageous. Juan is more passive than Fernando. Fernando is more assertive than Milena. Juan is the most important person in the office. In conclusion, self-confidence helps us grow, face problems, and believe in ourselves. Thank you.